Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's video topic is a synchronization. Synchronization in a Java is the capability to control the access of a multiple thread to any shared resource. Java synchronization is better option where we want to allow only one thread to access the shared resources. Why use synchronization? The synchronization is mainly used to prevent thread interface, to prevent a consistency problem. Type of synchronization. There are two types of synchronization. Process synchronization, thread synchronization. Here we will discuss only thread synchronization. Thread synchronization. There are two types of thread synchronization: mutual exclusive and inter thread communication. Mutual exclusive synchronized method. Synchronized block. Static synchronization, cooperation, inner thread communication in a Java. Mutual exclusive helps keep thread from interfering with one another while sharing data. It can be achieved by using the following three ways: by using synchronized method, by using synchronized block, by using static synchronization. Java synchronized method. If you declare any method as a synchronized, it is known as a synchronized method. Synchronized method is used to lock an object for any shared resource. When a thread invokes a synchronized method, it automatically acquires the look for the object and release it when the thread completes its task. Daemon thread in Java. Daemon thread in Java is a low priority thread that run in the background to perform tasks such as a garbage collection. Daemon thread in Java is also a server provider thread that provides services to the user thread. Its life depends on the makery of user threads. That is, when all the user thread dies, JVM terminates this thread automatically. In simple words, we can say that it provides services to user thread for background supporting tasks. It has no role in life other than to serve user threads. Example of a daemon thread in a Java: garbage collection in a Java. Finalizer. Property of a Java daemon thread. They cannot prevent the JVM from existing when all the user threads finish their execution. JVM terminates itself when all user threads finish their execution. If JVM finds a running daemon thread, it terminates the thread and after that shut down it. JVM does not care whether the daemon thread is running or out. It is an almost low priority thread. Default nature of a daemon thread. By default, the main thread is always non-daemon, but for all the remaining threads, daemon nature will be inherited from parent to child. That is, if the parent is a daemon, the child is also a daemon, and if the parent is a non-daemon, then the child is also a non-daemon. Method of a daemon thread. First, void set daemon boolean status. This method marks the current thread as a daemon thread or user thread. For example, if I have a user thread tu, then tu.set daemon true would make it a daemon thread. On the other hand, if I have a daemon thread td, then calling td set daemon false would make it a user thread. Syntax: public final void set daemon boolean on. Parameters: 1. If true, marks this read a daemon thread. Thank you.